Pradeep Chatterjee and I am from Kolkata. The name of our company is Limat Soft Solutions. This company is based on Bangalore. I guess you all have heard about this company because in the last semester also I came here for a workshop. Are you getting it? Can you do it? Do it and let me know whether you have done or not. Create two variables. Create two different variables. Just whatever I have done. Create two different variables. After creating the variables, what you have to do? You have to change the value of the variable and you have to print them. And once you have done that, create two integer type variables, add them and print the result. Syntax. The second one is we have to know the logic. Now to add two different variables, there is nothing to deal with the logic. You know that you have to use the plus operator. So create two variables, write down their values, initialize their values and print the result. We need to understand it initially. 100% similar. Almost 100% similar. But why NumPy and not list? The reason is NumPy is faster. About this particular fact, you can see I have created, can you see it? I will zoom it.